After an incident of firing had taken place outside actor Salman Khan's residence, there was a case that was put up by the Navi Mumbai police at Panvel, where it was alleged that there were a few accused who had done Reiki and had planned to assassinate the actor. Now, there was a charge sheet also filed in that case. There are about 6 to 7 accused who had been arrested in that case. However, the Bombay High Court has granted bail to 2 of the accused. Let's speak to the lawyers representing the accused. So, what exactly is the prosecution case in this?
Yes, so we had preferred the bail application of Waspi Mahmood Khan for Wasim Chikna and Sandeep Bhatia for Sandeep Bishnoi. So we had preferred the bail application, and the Honorable Bombay High Court was pleased to grant the bail to both the accused. So the allegations levels against the present accused is that they were a part of one WhatsApp group where all these accused, along with the Bishnoi gang and the Goldie Barar, they hatched a conspiracy to kill cine film star at his Panvel farmhouse, and one of the accused was doing Reiki at his farmhouse. So the police busted this, as per their case, the police busted this their plan, and they apprehended 6 accused.
Okay.
So we preferred the application for 2, and we made the contention before the High Court that there are only allegations that they were a parts of WhatsApp group. They have never been to Panvel or Mumbai. They were arrested from their hometown, Sambhaji Nagar and Aurangabad.
Okay, so also in this case, one accused has been granted bail by the Sessions Court. Was there a parity ground also that was taken by?
Yes, one of the accused, Gogoi, he was granted bail. So the allegations against Gogoi was also that he was a part of WhatsApp group. Apart from that, there was allegation that he managed the transport. So we made the contention that our case is on a better footing as compared to Gogoi. And the Honorable Bombay High Court, my lord, considered the parity ground, and we were enlarged. We are enlarged. So with certain conditions, we will comply with those conditions, and hopefully our clients will be released on bail very soon.
So that was the lawyer representing the 2 accused who have been granted bail by the Bombay High Court. In this case, there are a few other accused who are still behind bars. Vidya in Mumbai for India Today.